Hi and welcome to my channel. If you've seen my last tutorial where I made this gorgeous ring, you will already know how to make a base for today's bracelet. Yay! So first of all, let me show you this amazing piece of artwork. As you can see in this first masterpiece, I've used 3 pieces of 18 gauge wire, each measuring 46 centimeters or 18 inches. I then braided these, and this one very long braid ended up being 34.5 centimeters, which is 13.5 inches, and the unbraided wires at the ends are approximately 5 centimeters, that's 2 inches. And then I followed the exact process of the turquoise ring and used this stone, which is possibly malachite, but could be something else. And now we are going to move to this bracelet. How exciting! 2 bracelets in one tutorial. Well, don't get too excited. I'm only using this bracelet to show you how to secure the stone, but it's too small. It's slightly annoying because I use my silver wire, which I can't get anymore, and I have only a bit left. And most importantly, I even looked at the right measurements and still managed to get it wrong. Mind you, I was making it at midnight after a very long, exhausting day, so my brain was already lying in bed and sleeping. I guess the moral of this story is don't make jewelry when you are really tired. Just go and rest. Now we have that out of the way, let me tell you how to finish this bracelet. So I got some 24 gauge wire, around 30 centimeters, which is 12 inches, and that is plenty, you probably don't even need that much, and wrapped it around the spiral twice. Press the 2 wires together with my chain nose pliers to get rid of this gap in the middle, and then I started wrapping the long wire around the short one. I'm sure you will find it a lot easier than me wearing this lovely plus on my finger. Just keep wrapping and wrapping, pushing the loops together so that they are nice and tight. Just be careful not to overwork the wire or it will snap. I've also been advised by a nice lady in the comments to not go over my wires with the nylon jaw pliers too much, since that will harden the wire and it will be more prone to snapping, so thank you, nice lady. Alright, what's next? Oh yeah, every time you get to the next spiral, take the long wire and go underneath the spiral, and then take the short wire and you'll need to go over and under the spiral, if that makes sense. So you're kind of wrapping it around. Then take your chain nose pliers or some pliers and push the short wire down and start wrapping again. I'm of course not going to do that because I have to hurry up before my baby wakes up, and besides I'm not going to keep this poorly fitting bracelet. So I will skip this step and I will just show you how to finish this bracelet. So when you get to the grand finale, you will just separate the 2 wires and one will get wrapped around the spiral twice on the top. You could do 2.5 times if you don't want the cut wire to be exposed. And the other wire will get wrapped on the bottom, again about twice. You don't want it to look too bulky, like I've done with the greenstone bracelet, not sure why, but I used 2 separate wires rather than one bent in half, and that resulted in a bulky finish. Not too bad, but it just wasn't that great. And that's why I made this silver one, to show you a slightly better way of finishing it. You can see that this wrapped bit is coming apart, but that's only because I haven't wire wrapped the wire all around. It will stay put when it's done properly. So that's it, you can again push all the wires together with the pliers. Time to press the spirals to hold the stone in. And then you can just get a glass or something of that sort and shape the bracelet, or use your hands and shape it that way. Or both. Just make the braided bit longer or shorter. It's really up to you. We are all different, unique, amazing. Now, this bracelet is a bit loose. It's somewhere between a bracelet and a bangle. It's something I was going for, believe it or not. So you'll probably need to adjust the size to fit your wrist. Just make the braided bit longer or shorter. It's really up to you. We are all different, unique, amazing. Right guys, today's video was just a quick one, but I've been working on a much longer one with pendants and earrings, but that one has been taking just too long to finish and I've been so busy with the kids, so instead of not uploading anything, I've decided to upload this short one for the time being. So there is going to be about 3! Woohoo! I hope you all enjoyed watching and I will see you soon. I might even show my face next time, or my finger again. Not sure. Depends if I want to put makeup on or not.